Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today I'm just going to take you through an updated kind of quick skincare routine in the morning and then my updated everyday makeup look. So whenever I wear makeup, which is actually not all that often, but this is kind of what I do. It's a really quick routine. Most of the products are clean and just kind of do like a simple glowing look. Let me just clip my hair back out of the way. It snowed here yesterday for the first time and everything is so dry and staticky and it's so cold outside. Okay, I'm just gonna splash some water on my face. I normally don't wash my face in the morning, but I like to kind of wake up my skin with some cold water. And then as you can see, my skin is very much acting up. I don't know what these are. I don't know if it's like a pimple or like a clogged pore or something, but they're actually painful. Ugh. I don't know what the deal is, but I'm gonna go super clean, super simple. I'm gonna use this Burt's Bees Sensitive Skin Line Daily Moisturizing Cream. So this moisturizes and nourishes for improved barrier function for sensitive skin. So it's just like super natural, super simple, perfect for my crazy face right now. So this whole line, which is newer to me, is fragrance-free, allergy-tested, hypoallergenic. It has the Eczema NEA seal of approval. It's dermatologist tested and it is 99% natural origin ingredients. So I'm just gonna go in with the eye cream. I kind of wonder if something else I've been using has been doing something. I don't know. No fragrance. I can't remember if I said that, but that's quite important. I always take my eye cream like fairly high up there, where a lot of wrinkles are. Fine lines, you know? Not that there's anything wrong with that, but then I really need a lip balm. I have this Burt's Bees Moisturizing Lip Balm, the Vanilla Bean. I have these all over my house. My lips get so dry in the winter. It's actually crazy. One thing that has been such a saving grace for me is the Burt's Bees Conditioning Lip Scrub. I use it all the time. And then I also really like their intensive lip treatment. I think it's supposed to go on overnight, but I just do it all the time. It also like smells and tastes really good. There are sweet honey crystals in here. And it also has a responsibly sourced castor oil and cocoa butter and beeswax. And then I just wipe off the excess. Okay, just some lip balm. All of their lip products are made with 100% natural origin ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna just put some sunscreen on. This is 46 SPF, which is funny. Such a random number. But I wear this all the time in the winter. Actually, I wear this just every single day. Really can't forget sunscreen. Also, very important, all of the Burt's Bees products are cruelty-free. They are Leaping Bunny certified. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a super basic base. This is the Jane Iredale Pure Pressed Base. I think this is in Golden Glow. And I've been using this for years. I love it. Next, just do a little bit of bronzer. This is the Vesca Soft Matte Bronzing Powder. This is vegan and cruelty-free, and it's super pigmented, so definitely take some off. It smells really good too. It smells like coconut. I miss the beach. Oh, just give me some color. And then I'm gonna use the bronzer as a eyeshadow just to like warm up my eye area and give me some shape, but I don't always wear, I actually don't normally wear eyeshadow like on a day-to-day basis. Just do a quick eyelash curl. And I'm actually gonna use the Burt's Bees mascara. This is a really good natural mascara. This is the volumizing one. I like fluffy eyelashes, and this definitely gives you fluffy eyelashes. And then before I do the bottom, I'm just gonna do some concealer. See if I can't cover up whatever's going on there, you know? Using the Milk Makeup Concealer. This is also clean. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. I normally just go in with the wand, but I don't wanna like spread whatever this is around my face. I'm gonna go in with a little makeup brush and just try and cover these up a bit more. And then just let them sit for a sec. That's not bad. Pretty good considering. I'm gonna take some of that face powder that I used and just like set under my eye, just so that this hopefully doesn't go anywhere. Then just go in with a brow gel. My eyebrows are microbladed, so I don't fill them in or anything. I do have a video all about that if you are interested. I still get lots of questions about that. This is a Benefit eyebrow gel that I love, the 24-hour. Okay, I'm gonna do, just with this brown eye pencil, just a little bit of a flick, which is something I've been doing lately. Kind of makes it seem like you spent a lot more time on your makeup, even if you didn't. That's pretty good. So for blush, I'm gonna do this Tower 28 cream blush, and I'll probably put a little bit on my lips too. I feel like this blush just makes me look alive. You know what I mean? I don't like to wear too much on my lips, especially when they're super dry, because then you can see that through the lipstick. Like if you put lipstick on really dry lips, it just looks terrible. Okay, lastly, this is this new Charlotte Tilbury highlighter, the Hollywood Superstar Glow highlighter. So I'm gonna put that on my cheekbones and then my inner eyelid. Just be careful not to put any highlighter where you have done like any concealing work, because you don't want to be drawing any attention to that. Last but not least, some hydrating lip oil from Burt's Bees. All of their ingredients are responsibly sourced and all of their packaging is recycled. Okay, here we go. Hair is looking not bad actually. I'm gonna put a little bit of hair oil in it just because it's quite staticky. So I'm gonna use this Thick Daily Perfecting Hair Oil, the Hair Inspired Company. So this is a female-founded, vegan, cruelty-free, natural ingredients hair oil. It smells really good. Just take a little bit and rub it through the ends. My hair gets oily really fast, so I only use it on the bottom half. Okay, that's it. It's my kind of daily routine. It does actually not take very long when I'm not on camera and kind of like explaining everything. That's the look. I'm surprised actually at how well those spots under my eyes were covered up. Doesn't look so terrible. I'll just go over jewelry because I usually get questions. So this necklace and this pendant ring and these gold hoop earrings are all from my collection with True Curated Designs. We did a Art Deco inspired collection called the Deco Collection, and these are just limited edition pieces. They're all solid gold. The price point is a little bit higher because of that, but that means that you can wear them all the time. I wear them to sleep, in the shower, all the time. This is also True Curated. This is Majuri. What else we got? True Curated, David Yurman, Leah Alexandra, Majuri, True Curated, and my engagement ring. That is it. Let me know if you guys have any other questions about my kind of daily skincare and makeup routine. I hope that was helpful, and thanks so much for watching. Oh, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm almost at 50,000 subscribers. I'm really excited. I hope to get there by the end of the year. I find it's a bit of a plateau and harder to get to the next level, but thank you so much for your guys' support.